In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the night light mode feature on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon down in your system taskbar, and then go up and select settings or search for it. And then on the left panel, you want to select where it says device. And then on the right side underneath device, select display. And then scrolling down underneath night light, make it easier to look at your screen or read in dim light. Toggle that off, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.